How to use ComIDP Intelligeant Document Q&A. Begin by navigating to the ComIDP Demo Center page. On the right side of the page, locate the Intelligeant Document Q&A section and click Try Demo to enter the online demo page. We provide a sample document on the right panel to help you quickly understand the tool's capabilities. For more accurate extraction results, click the Settings button before uploading your document and select the language that matches your document content. Click the Upload Your File button to upload your document. The tool supports both image files and PDF documents. After uploading your document, simply enter your question in the chat box on the right side. For example, you can request a summary of the entire document or ask for key information points within the document. Once you've entered your question, wait a few seconds, and the tool will provide you with the answer you're looking for. That's all. See you next time.